Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Instant Gram Flour Peda. A very delicious and a healthy Diwali sweet recipe. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add 4 teaspoons of ghee. Always go with homemade ghee for best taste and results. I've already made a video on how to make homemade ghee. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. Allow the ghee to melt completely. Keep the flame in low till the end. When the ghee melts, add 1 cup of gram flour. Mix it well. Roast the flour for at least 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, shred the lumps and mix it well. It's been 10 minutes and it has started to release the ghee. At this stage, off the flame and transfer it to a mixing bowl. Let this rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, to this add half cup of powdered sugar and quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix it well and make sure the ingredients are all well spread. Now to this add a teaspoon of ghee and mix it well. Now we have the perfect consistency. Pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Give it a slight press and our delicious instant gram flour peda is now ready. Serve it right away and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, healthy and a delicious sweet recipe. So do try this instant gram flour peda recipe at your home for this Diwali and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.